Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and a weekend. Today is Monday 28th of December 2020 and I would like to share with you today's best Forex trade analysis and the result. Technically this is the holiday season. Big boys, they and holidays, they're going to be back on January. But as the part of the routine, I've did analysis and banked beautiful pips. Most of the traders enjoyed today. I wasn't expecting that sort of volatility, but we managed a beautiful trades today. So let's dig into the today's analysis. As I mentioned that I do analysis twice a day, first in the morning, just before London Open, and you can see all the analysis recording is available here twice a day at 7:30 a.m. London time and 2 o'clock London time, just before opening bell. And once the analysis is done, all the analysis broadcast in the analysis section live, and then I keep an eye on all this analysis. As soon as the price progress according to those analysis, I broadcast that information instantly in the analysis section and through live audio commentary. So today we had a wonderful trade, especially in pound pairs and bank beautiful pips. So let me show you the best analysis today and trades. Pound dollar. And if you look at in 4 hour, if you haven't seen my 23rd of December analysis, which I mentioned that the price is developing head and shoulder pattern, and which price develop, you can see here, shoulder, head and shoulder. And I did analysis that today that if the price is going to respect this level, and then if the price is going to break this wedge, then we should be taking a short trade. And we took a short trade, bank beautiful pips. We also had a counter long trade, bank few pips, and then again short trades. All that journey for today, how we describe it through the analysis, which you can see on the on the right hand side. You can see this morning, 7:30, just before London Open, we did this analysis, and when the price broke on that pattern, and take a short trade, bank beautiful pips. Then we did another analysis at the New York session. You can see it's 2 p.m. And we mentioned if the price going to break the recent high or recent low, then we should be taking a trade, which we had it. Took a trade, bank beautiful pips as a counter long trade. Price nicely hit 200 EMA. Then afterwards, as soon as the price reverse, we look at price develop another pattern because we were watching in 4 hour. So this is another breakout trade, which we bank another beautiful pips, as you can see it. So we had amazing trades, both counter and trend trades in pound dollar. We had exactly the same sort of pattern, was in pound Swiss franc and pound yen. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, as you can see, we explained if the price is going to break the previous low and the major support level, then we're taking a short trade, which we did, bank beautiful pips, all the short pullbacks. And then we also had another pullback short trade at the New York session. And if I show you the journey today's, you can see this analysis, 7:42, just before London Open. Then this breakout is performed. You can see all the beautiful pullbacks. The reason why pullbacks, if you look at the bottom, most of the time momentum was bearish, so we're taking all the pullback short trades here. Then I did another analysis at the New York session. You can see this was another breakout, beautiful short trade. So another beautiful trades, we had it on pound yen. You can see again, if you look at the 4 hour, the price broke on this major support. We took a short trades here, bank few pips. We also had a counter long trade, make a few pips, and then we took another short trade. And if you look at the whole journey of pound yen, you can see this was the in the morning. This was the breakout we were looking, which price nicely broken, beautiful short trade. Then we had another analysis at the New York session, and we had bank beautiful few pips as a counter. As soon as the price is 200 EMA, we mentioned to bank some profit. And afterwards, we had another analysis. You can see here, we were expecting a pullback, but price refused to break that orange EMA. Let me show you here. This is the updates of the analysis. You can see the price refused to break the orange EMA, and we mentioned to all our traders, if the price going to break the recent low, we should be taking short trade, which we did, and bank a beautiful pip. So you can see all the pound pairs we had amazing trades. You can see banking pips, you can see all the pounds. We also had a beautiful analysis all the other pairs, so I'm just gonna pick up a few of them. Dollar yen, you can see this was the pretty straightforward breakout long trade. As you can see, as soon as the price broken after the breakout, price retest this level, that give us the confirmation. And if you look at the bottom, momentum was bullish, so that was a beautiful long trade. And we had euro pound, as it's pretty straightforward. You can see the pound was bearish, so euro was getting stronger, and this was again breakout, and you can see the price nicely hit to the final target, and beautiful long trade on euro pound. We had a beautiful breakout trade at the New York session on the Kiwi dollar. We also had a beautiful, that was a good trade on Aussie dollar. That was a pretty straightforward. You can see previously price broken. After the breakout, we had another beautiful pullback short trade. As you can see, the price nicely hit to the final target. As you can see, we had a nice, amazing, beautiful analysis and beautiful trades. So guys, that's it for today. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time with the live audio commentary support, even you don't have Forex trading experience, we also provide full Forex coaching and training alongside all the materials. And we mainly coach and train through with the live market, because we believe that's the best way to develop a trading skill. When you can open a position and you will get the feedback on your trades. Or even if you are struggling, this is the platform where you can see all that analysis in real time. You can develop your trading skill. Or even if you're an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're going to love to bank all that pips alongside with our professional trader. So most welcome to join our fast growing trader community. And thank you for watching this video. And if you would like to have a free one-to-one consultation, you will find that link in the video description. Wish you all the best. Have a nice evening, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.